Discover the latest innovations in DIY and professional tools with our roundup of 20 new tools on Amazon you should buy in 2026. From smart gadgets that make projects easier to heavy-duty equipment built for precision and durability, these tools are designed to upgrade your workshop, save time, and enhance efficiency. Perfect for hobbyists and pros alike. XL Extendable Table. So the XL Extendable Table Saw is a versatile, high-performance woodworking tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a powerful 1800 to 2000 watt motor, it handles timber and sheet materials effortlessly. Its extendable table supports larger workpieces, while the tilting blade, 0 degrees to 45 degrees, allows precise bevel and straight cuts. Safety features include a blade guard, riving knife, and overload protection. A dust port keeps your workspace clean, and included accessories like a rip fence and miter gauge ensure accuracy. Sturdy yet portable. XL Fibreglass. Hop Up the XL Fibreglass. Hop Up is a durable, non-conductive work platform ideal for low-level tasks around electrical hazards. Built with GRP fiberglass legs and high-quality materials, it supports up to 150 kilograms while remaining lightweight and portable. The wide, slip-resistant platform ensures stable footing, and the foldable design allows easy storage and transport. Equipped with secure locking mechanisms, it provides reliable stability on job sites. Perfect for electricians and trade professionals needing a safe, practical, and compact work solution. Anex Offset Adapter. The Anex Offset Adapter is a versatile tool engineered for tight, hard-to-reach spaces where standard wrenches or power tools cannot fit. Its ultra-slim offset head allows access between beams, C-channels, or construction framing. Compatible with power drivers and impact wrenches up to 40 volts, it delivers high torque while supporting manual operation via a gear lock feature. Made in Japan from durable carbon and alloy steel, it includes through-hole sockets and accessory sets, providing a reliable, professional solution for fastening and loosening nuts and bolts. Malco Drip Edge Folding Tools. The Malco Drip Edge Folding Tool DEFT model is a durable, high-precision hand tool for forming clean bends on metal roofing panels. Featuring dual folding seams for 1 inch and 1.5 inch bends, it allows versatile work on both pre-bent and installed panels. Its fiberglass reinforced nylon handle provides high leverage, while lightweight steel and aluminum construction ensures long-lasting performance. Compatible with up to 22 gauge metals like steel, aluminum, copper, and zinc, it achieves 150 degree bends and comes in 16, 18, and 24 inch lengths. Beta Evox-E electric screwdriver. The Beta Evox-E electric screwdriver is a compact, ergonomic tool designed for precision and convenience. It offers dual-mode operation, combining electric assistance for quick fastening and manual tightening up to 12 Newton meters. Powered by a 3.7-volt, 2,300 mAh lithium battery with USB-C charging, it delivers over 1,000 screws per charge. Features include integrated LED lights, forward-reverse control, a 1/4 inch magnetic bit holder, and a comfortable nylon handle. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a belt pouch, making it ideal for professional use. Milwaukee String Trimmer. Milwaukee M. 18-string trimmers deliver professional-grade performance with cordless convenience. The PowerState TM, brushless motor rivals gas engines, offering instant throttle response and sustained power. Red Link, Plus intelligence protects against overload, while red lithium batteries maximize runtime. Adjustable cutting swaths, variable speed control, and an easy load trimmer head enhance productivity and precision. The M18 fuel models feature the quick lock system for multiple attachments, while dual battery options provide up to 3.8 horsepower. Lightweight M18 models offer professional performance for standard yard maintenance. Malco TurboShear. The Malco TurboShear is a versatile drill attachment that transforms any compatible corded or cordless drill into a powerful metal and non-metal cutting tool. Ideal for straight, curved, and tight cuts, it handles sheet metal, roofing panels, vinyl, and more with precision. Its adjustable, replaceable blades and lightweight design ensure durability and easy maneuverability. Some models feature 360-degree rotation for optimal clearance, while specialized versions tackle corrugated panels or provide double-cut edges, offering professionals an efficient, portable, and cost-effective cutting solution. Butterfly Diamond Cutting Blade. The Butterfly Diamond Cutting Blade by Distar is an ultra-thin, precision-cutting disc engineered for flawless work on porcelain and ceramic tiles. Featuring a continuous solid diamond rim, it delivers clean, chip-free cuts with jeweler-level accuracy. Available in 0.6mm and ultra-thin 0.45mm thicknesses, it's ideal for detailed decorative work. Designed for wet cutting, the 45mm blade ensures durability, smooth performance, and exceptional edge quality on delicate materials. WetFinder Moisture Meter. The WetFinder Moisture Meter by Laserliner is a non-destructive electronic tool designed to quickly detect and compare moisture levels in walls, floors, and ceilings. Using a capacitive measuring method, it locates hidden dampness without damaging finished surfaces. Results are shown on a universal index from 0 to 200, making comparisons easy. Helpful features include auto hold, automatic switch off after 60 seconds, and reference comparison with dry areas. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it delivers reliable performance for DIY users and professionals. Ideal for inspections, renovations, leak detection, and early moisture damage prevention projects. MultiRest Hollow Roller System. The MultiRest Hollow Roller System by Carter Products combines 2 specialized wood-turning solutions for safer, smoother hollowing. The MultiRest Work Support System is a modular steady rest that stabilizes long, thin, or hollow forms, reducing vibration and whip. Its clamshell ring design, adjustable configurations, and non-marring urethane wheels make it highly versatile across many lathe sizes. The Hollow Roller. Hollowing system complements this by using a captive boring bar with roller support, preventing tool twist and delivering precise control for deep hollow vessels. Fanttik X8 APEX Portable Tire. Inflator. The Fanttik X8 Apex Portable Tire Inflator is a powerful cordless air compressor designed for fast, reliable inflation on the go. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and strong airflow, it quickly handles car, motorcycle, e-bike, bicycle tires, and sports inflatables. The large dual LCD screen ensures accurate readings, while preset modes and auto shutoff prevent overinflation. It also works as a power bank and LED flashlight, making it an essential all-in-one emergency and travel companion. HUEPAR Mini Digital Angle Finder. The HUEPAR Mini Digital Angle Finder, models AG01 DL141, is a compact, precise inclinometer ideal for professional and DIY projects. It measures angles with high accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 degree at 0 degrees/90 degrees, plus or minus 0.2 degrees elsewhere, across a full 360 degrees range. Its magnetic V-groove base allows hands-free attachment to metal surfaces, pipes, or saw blades. The backlit LCD auto flips for easy reading in any position and supports multiple units degrees, percent millimeters, meters, inches, feet. Durable and portable, it withstands drops and includes auto shut-off, powered by AAA or rechargeable batteries, making it convenient for tight spaces. Razer MTC2X Tile Cutter. The Razer MTC2X Tile Cutter by Razer is a lightweight portable modular system designed for precision cutting of large format tiles and slabs. Featuring 2 aluminum rails, a scoring unit, and cutting pliers, it handles delicate porcelain and ceramic tiles with ease. The 20mm titanium coated scoring wheel ensures smooth, accurate cuts, while 4 dual-lip suction cups provide maximum stability. It accommodates tiles 3 to 15mm thick, with optional heavy-duty pliers for thicker materials. Portable and versatile, it includes a carry bag and supports the Power Razer MKII for angled diamond cuts. TORMEK Turning Tool Setter. The TORMEK Turning Tool Setter, TTS100, is a precision accessory designed to simplify and perfect wood turning tool sharpening. It allows exact replication of existing edge shapes and angles on gouges and skews, ensuring consistent results every time. Compatible with all TORMEK sharpening machines and standard bench grinders with BGM100. It integrates with SVD186, R-Gouge, and SVS50 multi-jigs. Its patented design maintains accurate bevels regardless of wheel diameter, reducing steel removal and sharpening time. Included profile labels and selection charts make repeat setups quick and precise. Oetiker Hand Clamp Cutter. The Oetiker Hand Clamp Cutter, models HCC2000 and HCC7000, is a precision tool designed for safe, efficient removal of Oetiker ear clamps without damaging hoses or tubing. Unlike installation pincers with blue handles, these cutters feature orange ergonomic grips for comfort and control. Made from durable alloy steel, the compound action jaws reduce cutting effort and strain. They handle stainless steel and plated clamps of specific sizes, with the HCC 2000 suited for common clamps and the HCC 7000 for heavier duty applications, ensuring reliable performance for professional and DIY use. Kela 16-63 Universal Aligner. The Kela 1663 Universal Aligner by Ritmo is a versatile, compact tool for securely holding and aligning plastic pipes and fittings during electrofusion welding. It handles pipes from 0.16 to 63mm, ½ inch to 2 inches, and supports inline, 45 degrees and 90 degrees positions. Equipped with interchangeable wide and narrow plates, it adapts to straight alignments or tight spaces. Lightweight at 1.4 kilograms, portable with a transport bag, and designed with durable jaw geometry, it ensures reliable performance for professionals working in confined areas, making pipe alignment faster, precise, and stress-free. Exact PipeCut. The Exact PipeCut system is a versatile portable saw solution for fast, precise and safe pipe cutting and beveling across materials like steel, stainless steel, cast iron and plastic. It delivers speed, cutting pipes up to 10 times faster than traditional methods, while ensuring clean, ready-to-join edges. Its patented gripping unit reduces sparks, airborne particles and physical strain, enhancing safety. With multiple models, from lightweight Classic and Pro Series to specialized Inox, P Series, battery, and pneumatic Soch hydraulic options, Exact PipeCut meets both workshop and demanding industrial applications efficiently. Maxis Hydraulic Bender. The Southwire Maxis Hydraulic Bender MMHB 4000 is a powerful self-contained machine designed for bending large electrical conduits, 2.5 inches to 4 inches, with one-person operation. Featuring a 3000 psi integrated hydraulic system, dual-action long-stroke cylinder, and self-raising mast, it ensures precise, efficient bends without manual adjustments. The handheld magnetic pendant allows fine control, while onboard color-coded storage keeps tools organized. Large cast wheels, swivel casters, and forklift pockets enhance portability, making it ideal for commercial and industrial job sites. Durable, accurate, and highly efficient, it boosts productivity for electricians. iTOOLco Material Management System. The iTOOLco Material Management System is a modular setup of mobile carts and racks designed to organize, transport, and dispense wire, conduit, and other electrical materials. Key components include reel jacks for lifting reels with minimal effort, reel carts for multiple spools, wire cart WC01 for up to 3,000 pounds, and material rack for conduit and pipes. This system improves job site efficiency by reducing labour, minimizing strain, and keeping materials organized. Its durable, mobile design fits through standard doors, enhancing safety, ergonomics, and productivity. Towbehind Yard Tuff Pine Lawn Rake. The Towbehind Yard Tuff Pine Lawn Rake YTF 60 PSR is a 60-inch heavy-duty landscape rake designed for ATVS, UTVS, or lawn tractors, making yard cleanup faster and easier. Its 24 spring steel tines resist bending while gathering pine needles, leaves, grass clippings, and light debris efficiently. Equipped with large 12-inch pneumatic tyres, it glides smoothly over uneven terrain. The steel frame with powder coat finish ensures durability, and the lift handle allows effortless debris dumping. Perfect for large properties, it simplifies yard maintenance while saving time and energy.